What's going on, guys? Yeah, didn't really feel like making any videos, sorry. It's kind of one of those days. I'm gonna do it anyway. Do it for the YouTube team. Already got the intake manifold on and sealed. Next is going to be the supercharger, and we'll see how I feel after that. But right now I'm going to clean up the supercharger sealing surface, the mating surface, and go from there. Best way to clean off gasket off of the old surface is one of these I found. It's like a wallpaper scraper or something. Anyway. 38 minutes of footage, so I'm going to try to condense it down to like 10. I don't really need to show you guys all this. It's more just a time lapse. I'm going to try to find some music for this, so it might not be up for a couple days. It's getting dark out. I'm getting tired. But current state of the engine, this is the water pump tensioner weird thing. We have the intake and the superchargers on. Valve covers are resealed, oil pans resealed. So basically, tomorrow I get this thing on, the water pump tensioner type style thing, the coil packs, alternator, and play with the wiring and the fuel injectors, and it'll be close to being ready to fire tomorrow. I can't say whether or not it will be ready to fire, but it will be close. It'll be close. So that's what I'm going to do. I shouldn't have too much work. I got the most of it done today. I broke the water temperature sensor in the intake, so I had to run to Napa and get one of those and get fuel injector gaskets. So that's what took me so long. I could have got a lot more done today, but all in all, it's been a good night for the project. Nice and cool. I'm ready for this thing to be out on the road and see if it rips any better. I mean, it's a ripper. I'm gonna drive it around for a little while until I sell it, just because I like it and it's comfy. So that's that. Also, what came in the mail today was strut bearings. This car makes a popping sound when turning, and I think it's coming from, I don't think you can see this, but it's coming from the struts. So I am going to do a video on probably Wednesday, because my impact is coming in on Wednesday. I lost my 3/8 impact at work because I'm an idiot. So I've ordered a new one. Hopefully that'll be in, and I'll do a video on a transmission service on a 4T60E, which is a transmission in this. I'll show you guys how to do a transmission service on that. I'll show you how to disassemble the struts, which I should be doing sometime this week. I mean, this thing's going to be close to being done this week. Everything it needs. And then I'm going to drive it for a little while, check the leaks, see if I need to fix anything, adjust anything. I might even order a smaller supercharger pulley just to rip a little more, because that would be cool. It's getting dark. I need a shower. I need to make some dinner. And most of all, I need to edit this up. I also have footage from the oil pan I still have to edit up. So I'm probably going to spend the majority of my night editing, which is fine. So I'm going to go try to find some decent music so you guys aren't bored while you're watching these time lapses. Let me know in the comments what you think about the time lapses. If you like them. I know the videos are basic, generic. I'm not good at this yet. Bear with me. I know from watching other YouTubers that 1 year of making videos makes a huge difference. You learn so much. So I'm definitely looking forward to being a part of this community, and hopefully some of you guys will pick up and subscribe and start liking my videos and stuff. It'll take time, all in due time. Anyway, so I'm gonna go upstairs, do all that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you guys think. No topic of discussion today, just comment, roast me, do whatever you want, I don't care. Ethan's the only one that comments, so challenge accepted. That's all I got for tonight, so